What's up everybody, welcome to Gamingtech. For a long time I've been wanting to install this graphic card in vertical position. That's exactly what we're gonna do today. But first we gotta remove the dust of this graphic card. Had it in the system for around 2 months I believe, and as you see a lot of dust has been collected from that time frame. When you have an open case, which is Gamingtech Enyo case, this problem is very normal. But we're using a portable air duster that is doing a phenomenal job removing this dust. I received my 60 kg package also, so that's gonna be another video. I know I've been slacking, but hopefully we'll fix that. Love cleaning stuff with this tool. Graphic card is heavy. The reason I stepped outside, I don't want dust to go around in the office. I already have dust problem enough, so that's the last thing we need, that's for sure. Places that we can't remove dust from, I'm just gonna use some wet tissue just to remove the rest. Very easy job. Love the tool. I recommend it fully. Doesn't matter what brand you're using, I think they're gonna do just fine. The RPM is around 45,000. Now it's looking clean. We have this card temporarily in the system. I will be swapping out for 3060 Ti. We're gonna do time spy score of this card also, done briefly but not fully, so you can expect some juicy scores from this card. This is the GPU bracket from Cooler Master version 1. They have obviously version 2. So the cable is PCI Express 3.0 here. We have Z390 motherboard. It's fairly old system, but does the job for me. And I noticed some problems here. Obviously this is very heavy graphic card. Back in day we didn't have this big of a size of a graphic card, so we can support it, but this is the mod that I had to do. I had to cut the metal, and when you don't have tool, trust me, that took some time. And this is the result. I'm happy, thermals are happy. Thank you for watching the video. Smash the like button. Share the video. Let's go guys.